Mastering English Idioms, Understanding by a Nose. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English learning journey. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of idioms, those quirky phrases that add color and flavor to our language. In this video, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, by a nose. So, if you're ready, let's get started. The phrase, by a nose, originates from horse racing, where races are often extremely close. If a horse wins by a nose, it means that the horse has won the race by the smallest of margins, literally the length of its nose. In broader usage, the phrase has come to describe any narrow victory or situation where someone wins or succeeds by a very small amount. Now, let's see how this phrase works in real sentences. 1. She won the election by a nose, securing just a few more votes than her opponent. 2. In a thrilling basketball game, the home team managed to win by a nose in the final seconds. In these examples, by a nose highlights how close the competitions were, emphasizing the narrow margin of victory. There are other expressions in English that convey a similar meaning to by a nose. Some of them include by a hair. This also indicates a very close margin. By a whisker, just like by a nose, this one suggests a narrow victory. Understanding these similar expressions can help you grasp the nuances of English idiomatic language. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at the idiom, by a nose. We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting phrase and how it is used in everyday English. Remember, idioms are a great way to spice up your language skills and sound more like a native speaker. Keep practicing, and you'll be using them naturally in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.